Alright, WWE, so here I am at home. So these are, I do a couple of exercises on my own, you know, like the jumping jacks. I do that a lot, and I also do mountain climber. Okay. I also do that. I do a lot of pressure push-ups, you know. Sometimes I try to go this way. Sometimes I have my little stool here, so I go this one. I do a lot of squats, you know, and all that. Now these we don't use pounds here, we use kg. I don't really know how much these weigh, but it's very heavy. You know, it's pretty heavy, so sometimes I try to lift it up, do a lot with it. It is really pretty heavy. Sometimes it's like a bag. I put it on, you know, and then I do a couple of exercises around the house with it. I move about, you know. Okay, so that's really pretty heavy. I also play football a lot, so sometimes I play in the house just to keep myself, you know. And a couple of exercises. So let's go outside and let me show you. So I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna show you what I do outside. So here we are. This is the surrounding. So I just come here under a tree and I hang my punching bag right here. This is really heavy. Trust me, and it's very painful. It's just a pack of sand, and it's been there for a while, so it's really heavy. So I normally come here and then do some exercise with it. So like. So it's really tough. Now I have a spot here. I'm gonna climb here and then go this way. So this is how I walk out here. Around a little bit. Please do something for me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I love you guys. I love everybody.